Greetings from Panama City Beach. We're out here camping. This is gonna be my last installment of RCing while camping. And today, woohoo, we got the sledge. Whoa. People say that thing ain't got no power. Hello everyone, welcome back. That's right. I guess I lied, or I forgot that I actually had something bigger than the laser nut. I can't believe I forgot the sledge. Yeah, so this might not be the prettiest thing, but I tell you, for an RC, oh yeah, look at this. I can come out here and muck this up all I want. I don't think they're gonna say anything, because it looks like it's already mucked up. Oh yeah, this to me is RCing right here. Dude, look at all that stuff this thing is beating up. Everybody just thinks, or I'm gonna say everybody, a lot of people just think RC cars is bashing, hitting big air, doing all those ridiculous jumps. But this is someplace like here the sledge really shines. It uses its weight and power to its advantage. Oh man. Man, check this thing out. Look at how rough this stuff is. I'll tell you, this is kind of like the perfect, I think that, you know, something like the Kagama would be good, but I think it might just be a little too top heavy. The Creighton would probably be good. Oh man, see, now when you got this rough terrain, oh, the X-Max would probably really do good out here. I know it would. Oh, dude, the sledge. Oh man, this was totally a good place to run this RC. Wide out open. Oh man! Oh shit! Wow, I bet you if I try it again, I probably can't get it lined up that way again, but that was freaking cool. Oh. Dude, I tell you what, man, this is one of the cooler RCs. You know, I know it gets a lot of hate for whatever reason, but, and trust me, especially after the Max Slash, I'm no fanboy of Traxxas, but you know, if an RC is good, it's a good RC, and I like this one. It's been a really good, dependable RC for me. It was funny on this video, so, one guy just kept going on about, oh, so-and-so kept broken the gear, and another guy broke the gears, and when you go and watch those other YouTubers' videos, they didn't even drive the thing. And what the first thing they did, they earplugged the center diff, because I still got the factory fluid in here. Does that look like you really need to earplug the center diff? No, I don't know why you would. So you do that, and then when you land and the back wheels are spinning fast in the front or something like that, and you land and you jam up that whole center dip, yeah, and then all of a sudden they're like, oh boo, my gears broke. Well, you modified it, man. You know, they design it to run a certain way. I mean, yeah, I mean, there's certain ways of tuning it, but I don't think the manufacturer ever said anything about earplugging the center diff. You know, if you're gonna do that and you break gears, then you know, it's on you. You modified it. It's like me putting a supercharger on my Camaro and then I'd complain that something blew up. You know, I got an additional 200 horsepower. I'm like almost double the power of the motor. Dude, oh my. You know, I actually thought this was gonna be like, wasn't gonna be a good spot to run, but oh man, this thing is... Yeah, they don't need that flag. Dude, this thing is killing it. Oh, I love this spot. Oh, the only thing that kills me is I forgot to bring any chargers. Oh, because I would totally come back right here after these batteries are gone. I wouldn't even have to bring the GoPro. I would just come out here, video it to have fun. Ooh, man, that was a brick. Heck yeah, man, the sledge. I still don't understand that. So many people say it's underpowered. It's not fast. Dude, like, that thing was going how fast there and just freaking backflipped under power. Look at the freaking skid mark. Yeah, that's probably what happened. Caught that. Got some real traction and damn, it ain't got power. Shit, it's got plenty of power. Oh man, I think it snapped like a tree thing or something. Heck yeah, man, this thing's freaking ruling out here. Dude, this dude, this was like what this thing was built for, man. Tackling this stuff. I know Traxxas, I think, market it more as like a basher, but it can handle bashing, but man, this off-road stuff. Oh, I was having nightmares of that shit getting wrapped up. Oh, all right, thank you. Self-recovery mode activated. Yeah, dude, this thing is completely stock, no speed gearing. It's running the Traxxas batteries, Traxxas ESC. And then a lot of people complain about the servo being slow. Okay, well, oh, maybe I'll give it that. Maybe, I think Mike could turn a little faster, but it ain't doing bad. I never, when I'm out here driving, I don't ever think about, oh man, I wish that thing would just turn. I wish it would turn faster. I don't. All right. Oh my god, I just blasted myself. Look. Man, guys, I'll tell you what. I am having a blast out here with this. Except for when it turtles like that. But, I mean, man, look at the train that's running through. Look at how fast I'm going through here, man. The Sledge is loving it. I'm loving driving it. This thing is, I have this. Oh, I love this, man. This is like such a beautiful obstacle course for this thing, man. And the thing is, like, look at how fast I can take it. I could drive it through here with all this stuff. Oh, man. All right, everyone, I'm gonna go ahead and let you go. I'm gonna finish this up. Got dogs barking, but I probably still got another 10 minutes, I think, of battery left on this. Oh no. So this was the only problem they did with the Sledge. They should have reinforced this front end. They really should have put some foam in there, but yeah, I could be out here for a while. These batteries actually last quite a while in this. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you all go. I really appreciate you watching. I hope you enjoyed watching the Sledge pound through this super rough terrain out here, man. Maybe we got some fans of the Sledge now, or some change the minds of some of the haters. I don't know. If you probably hate it, you're probably not watching this, but all right, everyone, thanks for watching. Thank you for the support. As always, links down below. Got you some cool discounts and ways to help the channel if you want. Help fund me bring this stuff to you. I greatly appreciate it. Everyone, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.